So in our previous lesson, we learned how to add fractions with different denominators. I promised that we're going to use a different method to solve that same problem, to add fractions with different denominators, and that is what I'm doing today. Now, I have the following. A, we have, for A, we have 3 over 5 plus 1 over 3. In the previous method too, we made use of the LCM. We took the base, but today we will differ a little. Why am I doing this? So that children will have different knowledge on how to go about this particular problem. Now, the LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. So we are going to rename these fractions. So that 3 over 5 will now be the same thing as 3 times 15. We multiply it by the LCM over 5 times 15. If we do that, 5 we cancel itself here once, here 3. So what we have will be 3 times 3 over 15, which is equal to 9 over 15. We have renamed the first fraction, we renamed the second one. 1 over 3 is the same thing as 1. We also multiply by the LCM, 15 over 3 times 15. This is equal to 3 here once, 3 into 15, 5 times. So we have 1 times 5 over 15, which is equal to 5 over 15. We now come over to these fractions and replace them with these ones. We have renamed them. So 3 over 15 will now be 9 over what? 3 over 5 will now be 9 over 15 plus 5 over 15. You can now see that the denominators are the same. So this will now be equal to 9 plus 5. What we have now will be 14 over 15. That is for A. Now for B, now we have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3. We are still going to rename such that the LCM of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. So 3 over 4 will be the same thing as 3 times 12 over 4 times 12. 4 we cancel itself here once, here 3. So that we have 3 times 3 over 12. We rename the second one too. 1 over 3 will be the same thing as 1 times 12 over 3 times 12. Of course, 3 will cancel itself once, here 4 times. So we have 1 times 4 over 12. This is equal to 4 over 12. Here will be equal to 9 over 12. So we now rename the fractions. 3 over 4 will become 9 over 12 plus 1 over 3 is now 4 over 12. This is the same thing as 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have 13 over what? 12.